Joyful blessings. This is Kaylin Castell with a look at the magical, amazing New Year star Sirius. Now, Sirius is a star that's in the sky more than New Year, but there's some amazing, magical things that happen around the New Year that we're going to see. So, something to just be reminded of is that Sirius is the brightest star in our night sky. It's prominent as each new year begins, and we're going to see why here now. So this is a star map that shows where Sirius is around midnight and how you can find it by locating the belt of Orion. And also this amazing Heaven's Gate winter triangle. We're going to see it in a couple of more slides as we go forward. And I'll do a video on that eventually as well. So if you look up at midnight between December 31st and January 1st in any year, any time in the next 70 years or so, you're going to see the star Sirius being very close to directly overhead, pouring its light codes onto planet Earth all night long. Now, this is basically because we see Sirius crossing the meridian at midnight local time every New Year, from New Year's Eve to New Year's Day, from that moment of the end of one year to the beginning of a new year. And the meridian really is a circle of longitude that begins from the south point of the horizon, passing through the zenith to the north part of the horizon. And so the meridian course coincides with geographical longitude, and every location on Earth's surface has its own meridian or zenith. So every place on the Earth at midnight on January 1st has Sirius on the meridian. And so this magical star, and it was recognized by the ancient alchemists as one of the most amazing stars on the meridian, is a powerful time for receiving a direct energetic download and to tune in and wish upon the star. And we're going to look at that in a moment. So the light codes from Sirius pouring down onto Earth around the new year is a time when an infusion of light connects with the Earth's magnetic grid, and it supercharges that radiant divine energy that we can all tap into and we can use to infuse our new year intentions. So this helps us to inspire and awaken humanity to a greater love and understanding aligned with our collective destiny, especially when we're open to receiving this infusion and we're working with it consciously. And so here we have Sirius around 9 p.m. It's not quite as high as it will be around midnight. And you can find it by looking for the belt of Orion. And so, and also this winter triangle, we'll do a video around this. It's also called Heaven's Gate. But this is a very unique part of the sky that is hard to miss at this time of year as we transition from one year to a new year. Now, from the website Sold Out, the recent findings reveal we are downstream from Sirius in the part of the galactic arm our solar system resides in. If God is the bringer of life, energy, and light, Sirius fits the description. It transmits its energy or highly charged particles to our entire system via the magnetic field lines. So we're literally receiving energy from Sirius at midnight on any New Year's Eve, and it lasts, of course, a few days before and after when it's really precise. So we can tune into it at any time and work with these energies. And so this brings to mind the idea of wishing upon a star or creating our intentions and asking for the star energy to help support our intentions. So here around 7:30 p.m. is Sirius coming up over the horizon pretty much anywhere where you are, unless you have high mountains, and then you might not see it as early as 7:30 p.m. But you might want to remember this childhood uh, poem or invocation: star light, star bright, first star I see tonight. I wish I may, I wish I might have the wish I wish tonight. Now, Sirius might not be the first star you see, so you could say brightest star I see tonight. There's ways you could work with that and just invoke the magic of Sirius, and you don't have to wait till midnight on New Year's Eve to do that. Also, in the movie Pinocchio, many feel that the song that When You Wish Upon a Star was an ode to Sirius, or we can just create it that way, if, whether it was or wasn't, doesn't really matter. So here is the ode or invocation, basically saying, when you wish upon a star, makes no difference who you are. Anything your heart desires will come to you. If your heart is in your dreams, no request is too extreme. When you wish upon a star as dreamers do, like a bolt out of the blue, fate steps in and sees you through. When you wish upon a star, your dreams come true. So when you go out and connect with Sirius and do the invocation, and you're coming from your heart, from that place of love and compassion and what's best for you and for all life on the planet, we can really energize some powerful things as we come around to each new year. So if hope you like this video. You can subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. There's going to be links for articles and some videos in the show notes on Sirius. You can also go to my website, kaylincastell.com or celestialtimings.com, to get more information as well. And here is to all of us having all our wishes and dreams come true.